Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of the all-new 2025 Skoda Karoq, a compact SUV that brings a perfect balance of design, comfort, performance, and value. Skoda has taken things up a notch this year, and the Karoq shows just how serious they are about blending style with practicality. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Karoq sports a refreshed design that's both bold and elegant. The front grille has been widened and flanked by sleeker, sharper LED matrix headlights, giving the SUV a more confident and premium stance. The sculpted hood and updated bumper design further enhance its dynamic appeal. From the side, you notice the strong character lines running from the headlights to the tail lamps, along with sporty alloy wheels that add to the SUV's presence. Around the back, the LED tail lamps get a new signature pattern, and the tailgate design is cleaner, featuring the new Skoda lettering instead of the traditional badge. The overall proportions make the Karoq look compact yet robust, ideal for both city streets and weekend getaways. Moving inside, the interior of the 2025 Karoq is where Skoda really shines. The cabin feels more refined and tech-focused than ever before. Soft-touch materials, chrome accents, and ambient lighting give the cabin a sophisticated feel. The star of the show is the new fully digital cockpit paired with a large central touchscreen infotainment system, offering seamless connectivity with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interface is intuitive and responsive, and physical buttons for climate control have thankfully been retained for ease of use. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped with mounted controls and a flat-bottom design, enhancing the sporty vibe. Space is generous, with ample headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. The seats are ergonomically designed and offer good support for long drives, and the boot space remains practical for everyday use. Now let's talk about performance. The 2025 Skoda Karoq is offered with multiple engine options depending on the market, including a 1.5-liter TSI turbo petrol engine that produces around 150 horsepower. This engine is mated to either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. The drive is smooth and responsive, with decent acceleration and good fuel efficiency for its segment. The suspension has been tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps effortlessly while maintaining stability on corners. The steering feels precise and light, especially useful in city traffic, but it also provides enough feedback at higher speeds. For those looking for a more spirited drive, there's even an all-wheel drive option available in select variants. When it comes to safety, the Karoq doesn't disappoint. It includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and multiple airbags, along with a solid Euro NCAP rating. Skoda has packed it with enough tech and features to compete with more premium rivals. As for pricing, the 2025 Skoda Karoq starts at approximately $28,000 for the base variant and goes up to around $38,000 for the fully loaded model, depending on the market and options. Given the features, build quality, and performance on offer, the Karoq remains a very competitive option in the compact SUV segment.